This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Spark plug replacement. While you are waiting for the engine to cool, check the new plugs for defects and adjust the gaps if necessary. The gap is checked by inserting the proper thickness gauge between the electrodes at the tip of the plug. Spark plug manufacturers recommend using a wire-type gauge when checking the gap. The gauge should just slide between the electrodes with a slight amount of drag. If the gap is incorrect, use the adjuster on the gauge body to bend the curved side electrode slightly until the proper gap is obtained. If the side electrode is not exactly over the center electrode, bend it with the adjuster until it is. Also check for cracks in the porcelain insulator. If any are found, the plug should not be used. Pull the hood release lever located below the steering column. Push the hood safety latch to the side, then raise the hood. Open the trunk and remove the floor mat. Then unscrew the large nut and remove the trunk floor panel. Remove the spare tire or air compressor as applicable. Loosen the cable bolt from the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Remove the spark plug wire from the spark plug. Pull only on the boot at the end of the wire. Do not pull on the wire. A plug wire removal tool should be used if available. Place a spark plug socket over the plug and remove it from the engine by turning it counterclockwise. Apply an anti-seize compound to the threads of the new plug to facilitate future removal. Thread one of the new plugs into the hole until it can no longer be turned with your fingers. Tighten the spark plug to the specified torque setting. Install the spark plug wire securely onto the plug, then repeat the procedure for the remaining spark plugs. Attach the negative cable to the battery and tighten the bolts securely. Set the air compressor or spare tire into place. Install the floor panel and tighten the nut securely. Then lay the floor mat in place.